Hello students, welcome back to part 2 of 7th session on sublist. In last session we have concentrated on preparation of royalty payable chart, royalty receivable chart. In this session we are concentrating on passing entries and preparing accounts in the books of Quick. Who is Quick? Quick is main lessor and main lessee and sublessor. So first we have to pass entries as a capacity of main lessee. Later we have to pass entry as a capacity of sublessor. So main lessee means we have to concentrate on royalty payable chart. Just look at the first year. Minimum rent is more than the royalty. First year also, second year also, and short working is carry forward. First year also, even second year also. Situation number 2. We should remember situation 2. How to pass due entries under situation 2 without opening minimum rent account. The journal entry is royalty payable account data, short working account data to lesser account. Here lesser is rich. So royalty payable should be debited with 750, short working should be debited with 250, and who is that? Lesser should be credited with 1000, sum of 750 plus 250. Then he will make the payment to the lessor. What's the journal entry? Lesser account debtor to bank account 1000. Then what is there in royalty payable account should be closed at the end of the year by transferring it to profit and loss account. So what's the journal entry? Profit and loss account debtor to royalty payable account. So this is how to pass entries in the books of Quick being lessee. Again, in this solution, they mention how to pass entries in the books of Quick during first year being sublessor. Try to understand, being sublessor. To pass next 3 entries, we need to concentrate on royalty receivable chart. If it is confusing, try to understand. So don't have these 3 entries, next 3 entries in first year. Now itself have a separate journal entry in the books of Quick as a capacity of sublessor. Better to have it separately if it is confusing. That's why I am not explaining 4th, 5th, 6th entry during first year. These entries indicates what is that? Entries for sublease contract in the books of Quick as a capacity of sublessor. That's why I'm not concentrating on these 3 entries. So second year in the books of Quick being a main lessee, we have to pass what is that due entry. It is as equal as first year because the situation is same. The second situation here, the journal entry is royalty payable account data, short working account data to lesser account. So 850, 150, totally 1000. So lesser should be paid. The journal entry is rich account debtor to bank or cash account 1000. Royalty payable account should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. Now the question arises, what to do with short working? Short working will be carried forward. When we prepare short working account, so we will carry forward the balance to the next year. That's why entry will not come. Try to understand. We are carrying forward balance to next year. So this is with regard to second year. So what is the situation of main lease in third year? So third year royalty is equal to minimum rent. So journal entry in the book of lessee, that is Quick, main lessee, royalty payable account debtor to lesser account 1000. When he makes the payment, lesser account, that is rich account debtor to bank account 1000. Royalty payable should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. So short working will not come because short working short working is carried forward during third year also. So that's why when we prepare short working account, to balance brought down, by balance carried down, it will be carried forward to fourth year, because during main lease there is right to recoup for how many years? 4 years. So that's why we are carrying forward, it will not come. So short working account come only when there is short working, only when there is recoupment of short working. This will arise only when, only when minimum rent is more than the royalty, and recoupment arises only when royalty is more than the minimum rent. But third year the situation is royalty is equal to minimum rent. So again I am not passing other 3 entries because that is relating to sublease. We will discuss it later. Next, fourth year, what's the situation? You just look at royalty payable chart. So fourth year situation is royalty is more than the minimum rent. There is excess. Excess is used to recoup, and that which is not recouped transferred to profit and loss account. So when we pass fourth year journal entry, for amount to due, journal entry is royalty, because royalty is more than the minimum rent. For amount due, journal entry is royalty payable account 1,150, to lesser account 1,000, to short working account, that is recoupment of short working 150. Lesser will be paid, rich account debtor to bank 1,000. Then royalty payable should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. Journal entry profit and loss account debtor to royalty payable account 1,150. So non-recoupment of short working means that amount of short working which cannot be recouped further, because this is the fourth year. So we cannot recoup. That's why unrecoupable will be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. So fourth journal entry in fourth year is profit and loss account debtor to short working account. So this is what journal entry during fourth year. We'll look at fifth year. What's the situation? So situation, there is excess. Excess is not used to recoup. Excess goes to lesser. So just like fifth situation, as we studied, you know that we studied entries under 5 different situations. So on fifth year journal entry, royalty payable account debtor to lesser account 1,500. Lesser will be paid, lesser account debtor to cash, rich account debtor to cash or bank 1,500. Royalty payable should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. Entry is profit and loss account debtor to royalty payable account. So this is all about first year, second year, third year, fourth year and fifth year in the books of Quick as a capacity of what? Mean lessee. We will see how to pass entries in the books of Quick as a capacity of sublessee. At that time, sublessor. At that time, we should concentrate on royalty receivable chart. We just look at royalty receivable chart. First year, royalty is less than the minimum rent. There is short working and that short working is carried forward. So the journal entry in the books of Quick, he is a lesser now. So lessee's account data, that is POS account data, to royalty receivable 313, to short working allowable 187. Then he will receive cash from POA, bank account data to POA account with regard to amount is rupees 500, which is equal to minimum rent. So royalty receivable should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. So royalty receivable account data to profit and loss account. Short working allowable account shows a balance that should be carried forward to next year. So there is no journal entry. This is with regard to first year. Second year, again the situation is same, where minimum rent is more than the royalty. So the journal entry, lessee's account data to royalty receivable to short working allowable. So 375, 125 should be credited, 500 should be debited to lessee's account. He receives cash from lessee, journal entry, bank account debtor to lessee's account. That receivable account should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. Short working allowable account shows a balance that should be carried forward, so there is no entry. This is with regard to second year. We'll look at third year. Third year situation is, what is that? Minimum rent is as equal as, what is that? Royalty, and there is a loss to the lessee to the extent of 187, which cannot be carried forward, but 125 can be carried forward. So which is profit to the lessor. That is very much important. So during third year, journal entry as royalty is equal to minimum rent. What is that? Lessee's account, poor's account, debtor to royalty receivable 500. He will receive royalty. Bank account, debtor to poor account 500. Royalty receivable should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. Journal entry royalty receivable account, debtor to profit and loss account. During that year, there is irrecoverable short working which is loss to the lessee but profit to the lessor. Now we are passing entry in the books of Quick as a lessor, particularly sublessor. So short working allowable account, debtor to profit and loss account 187. Remaining short working will be carried forward. Balance in short working carried forward to next year. This is with regard to third year. Fourth year, you just look at the situation. So royalty is more than the minimum rent. There is excess. Excess is used to recoup the short working. So what's the journal entry in the books of sublessor? What is that? As there is what is recoupment, due entry is lessee's account debtor, short working allowable account debtor to royalty receivable 500 to the extent of minimum rent. Then 125 to the extent of recoupment of short working. So to royalty receivable totally 625. He will receive cash from whom? Lessee, journal entry bank account debtor to poor account 600. Royalty receivable should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. So to profit and loss account 625. Now we are moving towards year 5. The situation is royalty is more than the minimum rent. Excess is there. Excess is not used to recoup. It goes to lessor. So what is the due entry during 5th year? Poor account debtor to royalty receivable 1000. Bank account debtor to poor account 1000. Royalty receivable should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. Only 3 entries will come particularly in the books of whom? Sublessor. What's happened here is, while giving journal entries, so first journal entry, first 3 journal entries, sometimes 4 journal entries relating to main list, and next 3 journal entry or sometimes 4 journal entries are relating to sublist. They combined it while passing entries, because first year means they combined means separately shown, but it is shown one after another. So first they have shown main lease journal entry, next they have shown sublease journal entry. But you do one thing while passing entries in your book, have journal entry for main lease first, next separately after completing all 5 years with regard to main lease, next have separate journal entry for sublease. So if you write journal entries of sublease along with the main lease, so you may end up with confusion while preparing accounts. So that's why I have not taught you simultaneously. I taught you journal entries of main lease separately, and after me completing journal entries in the books of Quick with regard to main lease, I concentrated on how to pass entries in the books of Quick as a capacity of sublessee. That's all. We'll see how to prepare accounts particularly in next session. Till that, take care. Thank you.